Where are you going?
What?
Hear me now.
What?
Hello.
Oh, that's loud.
Is your name Arnold?
It is today. I'm Arnold. Who are you? You, and I, me. And who are you? I'll be back.
I kind of like the hat.
Thanks.
All I know is I'm in red. This is to represent the Christmas story, and everyone knows the Christmas story. And what we're doing is tempting my son or daring him to put his tongue against the cold post. Please don't do that at home.
Is this clean?
That's fresh saran wrap.
Is
for
it?
You.
Are you putting your tongue on the pole?
Good energy, though. Really good.
Things we do for love.
Thanks, Dad.
I got you off there, son.
Love you.
I got you off. Your tongue's still intact. Put your tongue on the pole. Tongue is really stuck.
That's a bad idea.
I love you, man. From us to you, we wanted to say happy holidays, happy new year, and
Happy holidays.
make it right.